Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So my name is Justina and my channel's name is Simply Natural, and in here we do food recipe, mukbang, chit chat, vlog and natural hair videos. So in today's video we are going to be cooking a wonderful recipe called Moi Moi. It is a Nigerian food recipe, and yes, I grew up eating Moi Moi. Moi Moi is very special to my soul, because it's that one thing that you ask your mother to buy for you when she's in the market. You be like, oh, when you're coming back and you buy me Moi Moi. So it's kind of a treat as well, whereby here kids want to have lollipop and chocolate, whereby when I was growing up back home we only asked for Moi Moi or agidi jollof. So anyway, Moi Moi in my house, I try to make it every Friday evening. So this is Friday evening. I am back from work. Yes, we love to eat it as a Saturday breakfast. Sometimes, not all the time. Some other weekend we have Irish breakfast, and get on with our day. But whenever I have the energy to make Moi Moi, so I love to cook it every Friday evening so we can have it as a breakfast Saturday morning. This at home you can have with gari, you can have with akamu, and then you can also have it with rice. Jollof rice and Moi Moi go so well together as well. But for us, or for me, I like to have it with either jollof rice as well or white rice. But for breakfast we love to have it with oats. It is very tasty and very yummy with oats. So guys, enough of this chit chat. Let's get over there and let me introduce you guys to our recipe for today. Ta-ta! Guys, this is our ingredients for today. So here I have two of this sweet pointed pepper. I have two of them already clean and cut, but I would love to add more. When I add this one, I see the color that it gives to the Moi Moi, because I want the color to be popping, and if it's not that colorful I will add some more. Here I have 3 onions, I have crayfish, I have Nigerian dry chili, I have Maggi, I have salt, and that is my beans. So here I have my beans. So I have soaked these beans for like now an hour now, and see, when you touch it you can see that the skin is already peeling off. So what we're going to do to these beans is that we're going to massage it with our palm, and the skin will come off, and we'll rinse it out. So over here guys, we have our egg. That is our 6th egg. Okay, I'm going to boil this egg and just cook it until the egg is cooked properly. And yes, I'm going to be using the egg to cook my Moi Moi. So yes, I will turn on the stove and I will start boiling the egg. So I'm gonna basically boil this egg until it is ready. Okay, so this is what I am going to be using to make my Moi Moi. So they're like little containers, right? I am going to be scooping the Moi Moi in here. So this will go inside the oven. I'm going to be baking it in the oven. So guys, this is our beans, and we're going to start massaging the beans. guys, this is our beans and onions and sweet pepper. If you hear anything bubbling, my egg is still bubbling, so yeah. Anyway, we are done washing the beans. We are going to start blending everything now. I'm going to put some of the beans in here, and I'll put the onions as well. I'm going to add some water. So guys, I am done blending my beans. So this is my beans. Okay, it is all blended, and we are going to be adding our ingredients now. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 scoop of salt. I'm going to add 1 scoop of this chili, dry chili. This dry chili is very spicy, so I'm gonna add only 1. And meanwhile, I added my crayfish when I was blending the beans. So my crayfish is already in there, and I added 1 more of this pepper. So in total, I used 3 of that pepper. So I'm going to add 3 Maggi. I'm going to add 1 scoop of this mixed spice, although I did not show it at the beginning, but I feel like I should add it because I like the aroma it gives to the food. And then I'm going to add 1 of this chicken powdered chicken flavor stock. I'll taste it and see. Yep. Okay, we're going to add our vegetable oil. This is the last thing we'll be adding in our beans, and we're going to mix. Because I use loads of water when I was blending it, I'm not gonna add water in it. I like the consistency, so I won't be adding any more water. And also my egg is done. I have cut my egg into half. So the next thing we're going to do is to add oil in this. Okay, this oil will help the moi moi not to stick on the container, so it's good to add the oil so your container will not be sticky, because when you finish cooking your moi moi, it will be easier to take the moi moi out of the container if you have the oil in them. So guys, after oiling our trays, it is time to start scooping our moi moi inside it. Okay, I'll leave it like that so it will have a bit of space to rise. that is some of our moi moi in there. I am going to add the egg. So now it is time to put our moi moi inside the oven so it can start cooking. So guys, the moi moi is inside the oven and I am cooking it on 160 Fahrenheit. And yeah, I am going to cook this moi moi for like what 40 to 45, close to an hour anyway. But the only thing is that I'll keep checking it and keep topping up water in the what is it, in the tin. I'll keep putting water in it so it will dry out. So yes, this is all I have to do now. The main work is done now. Just I'm gonna leave this moi moi alone until it cook properly. Then I have the rest of the moi moi here, right? And I'm going to stick that one inside the oven. So I think in total I have about 21 moi moi. So yes, I'm happy that I made a lot. Yeah, this one will also go inside the oven and start cooking as well. So guys, that is the moi moi. So yes, I can't wait to, you know, dive in. But yes, we're not eating it now, we're eating it in the morning. At this time is already 9 p.m. in the night. We all have our dinner, so this is not our dinner. So this is our breakfast for Saturday, because today is Friday. We are done. Yes, I am so happy that I did it. So tomorrow morning breakfast is gonna be late. Anyway guys, yes, we are done. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this cook with me recipe. It is a very tasty, delicious meal. I can't wait to have it tomorrow morning with oats. And yeah, hot moi moi with oats or with akamo is always so yummy and so delicious. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. And if you have not subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and please leave the notification bell on, because it will always notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up, please take a moment as well to give it a thumbs up, because this means a lot to me and my channel, because it will tell YouTube that I'm actually doing an okay job with what I do, and they will recommend my video to some other people who are interested in Nigerian food recipe. Anyway guys, thank you so much. This is where this wonderful recipe is going to end. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next one. I can't wait for tomorrow morning. Not that I'm not gonna taste it though tonight though. I might taste one of it tonight and see that it's tasting okay. You know, make sure that there is no poison in it, that we're all okay here. Yeah. I think I might do that. Taste one of it tonight, and tomorrow morning I can't wait to just, you know, enjoy it as my breakfast. Anyway guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.